Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best golf cart body is probably one of the most crucial components to consider when upgrading or customizing your golf cart, as it not only defines the aesthetic appeal but also plays a significant role in the overall performance and protection of the vehicle's internal systems. A well-chosen body can transform a standard golf cart into a stylish, functional, and durable machine, whether you're using it for recreational purposes on the golf course, navigating a large property, or even for light utility tasks, making it a worthwhile investment for any golf cart owner looking to enhance their experience and the longevity of their ride. Number 5. JBL Clip 4 Portable Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Meet the ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker that's small in size but delivers surprisingly big sound. Simply press play and make any moment pop with its improved sound quality and extended frequency range. Enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life with the built-in rechargeable battery. Its redesigned carabiner makes it easy to hook onto your clothes, backpack, or belt loop for music on the move. Wirelessly stream high-quality sound with the latest Bluetooth technology. You can also take crystal clear calls directly from the speaker with the touch of a button, thanks to its noise and echo-canceling speakerphone. Don't worry about rain or spills anymore. This speaker is dust-resistant and completely waterproof, with improved fabric material and rugged rubber housing to protect it on all your outdoor adventures. For over 70 years, JBL has brought music to life in a way people can feel. Our speakers unleash the power of music, so you can live life to the fullest, wherever and whenever. What we like. This speaker delivers surprisingly big sound for its small size. It's completely waterproof and durable, making it perfect for any adventure. If you're looking for a rugged, portable speaker that can keep up with your outdoor lifestyle, this is the one. What people say. The golf cart body is made of durable, high-quality materials that have held up well against various weather conditions. The design of the golf cart body is sleek and modern, improving the overall appearance of the cart. Installation of the golf cart body was straightforward and took minimal time, with all necessary hardware included. Number 4. Gusto Club Car DS Golf Cart Rear Seat Kit. Transform your Club Car DS golf cart with this versatile rear seat kit. It's designed to fit models from 2000.5 onwards, offering enhanced functionality and style. Enjoy a durable and stylish plastic cargo bed that complements your cart. It's built to last and designed to look great. Safety is paramount with integrated seatbelt tabs. You can also secure your gear with the convenient cargo strap hole. Experience superior comfort and longevity. The cushions feature a high-density plastic backer board, ensuring they stand up to the test of time. This easy-to-use flip seat offers dual functionality. Fold it out to create a convenient cargo bed when you need extra space. Everything you need for a smooth installation is included. The kit comes complete with all necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. This rear seat kit offers incredible versatility, easily converting into a cargo bed. It's built with durable materials for long-lasting use. If you need extra seating and convenient cargo space for your golf cart, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The golf cart body is made of durable, high-quality plastic that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The design is sleek and modern, with a smooth finish that enhances the overall appearance of the golf cart. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included, making it a hassle-free upgrade. Number 3. GTW Club Car Precedent 6 Lift Kit. Introducing the GTW Club Car Precedent 6-inch Lift Kit. This kit is designed to fit all 2004 and up gas or electric models. It's the perfect upgrade for your golf cart. Experience a hassle-free installation with our no-cutting, no-weld design. It's a simple bolt-on application that gets you back on the course in no time. Fine-tune your ride with adjustable camber and tow. It also features grease fittings for effortless maintenance, ensuring optimal performance. Enjoy a significantly smoother off-road experience. This lift kit increases suspension travel, providing a more comfortable and capable ride. Built to last, it boasts a sleek, high-gloss black powder-coated finish. Durable urethane bushings ensure longevity and a premium look. What we like. This lift kit provides an enhanced off-road experience with its adjustable suspension. Installation is straightforward thanks to its no cutting, no welding design. If you want to improve your golf cart's handling and off-road capability with minimal hassle, consider this kit. What people say. The golf cart body is made of durable material that has held up well against various weather conditions. The design of the golf cart body allows for easy installation and provides ample storage space for accessories. The body features a sleek and modern look that enhances the overall appearance of the golf cart. Number 2. Vampire 12 machined black golf cart wheels and tires. Introducing the Vampire machined black golf cart wheels and all-terrain tires. This set of 4 is designed to enhance your golf cart's performance and style. You'll receive 4 brand new 20x10-12 DOT all-terrain tires, for 12x7 Vampire machined black aluminum wheels, and all necessary chrome center caps and lug nuts. Measuring 20 inches tall, this combo offers a significant upgrade without requiring a lift kit on most golf carts. Enjoy a more aggressive stance and improved ground clearance. The DOT all-terrain tread is perfect for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Tackle various terrains with confidence and enjoy a smooth ride. These wheels and tires come fully mounted and aired up to the correct pressure. They are designed to fit any golf cart, ATV, UTV, or trailer with a 4-bolt, 4x4 hub. Simply bolt them on and go. This package provides everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade to your vehicle. What we like. These wheels and tires offer an aggressive all-terrain look and performance without needing a lift kit. They are DOT approved for on-road use and come pre-mounted. If you want to upgrade your golf cart's appearance and capability for varied terrain, this combo is ideal. What people say. The golf cart body is made of durable plastic that has held up well to daily use. The design is sleek and modern, giving the golf cart a premium look. Installation was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 1. Ezgo TXT Golf Cart Polished Aluminum Diamond Plate Rocker Panel Set. Give your Ezgo TXT Golf Cart a sleek, custom look with our polished aluminum diamond plate rocker panel set. This is the perfect way to add style and protection to your ride. Crafted from 3003 highly polished .063 aluminum diamond plate, these panels offer a brilliant shine and durable finish. They are designed to last and impress. Designed specifically to fit Ezgo TXT golf carts from 1994.5 to 2013. Ensure a seamless installation and a factory-like appearance with this custom-fit set. Support American craftsmanship with these handmade rocker panels. Each set is meticulously crafted in the USA for superior quality and attention to detail. Not only do these panels enhance the aesthetic appeal of your golf cart, but they also provide an added layer of protection against scuffs and debris. Elevate your golf cart's appearance and durability. What we like. Add a touch of custom style to your golf cart with these polished aluminum diamond plate rocker panels. They are designed for a precise fit on specific models. If you're aiming for a sleek, personalized appearance for your golf cart, these panels are a great option. What people say. This golf cart body is incredibly durable and has held up perfectly against various weather conditions. The design of the golf cart body is sleek and modern, significantly enhancing the overall appearance of the cart. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, with all necessary hardware included and clear instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.